Okay, so here we are. I've got one of the threaded rods here in my vise, and I've got to mark how long I want to make it. And I'm just going to saw this off right here. Whoops. Okay, so there it is. Let me grab a file real quick. So what I want to do with this is just file off the burr on that edge. Because first of all, it probably would be hard to get a nut over that edge, and you're likely to get cut by that edge anyway. So that's not too bad. So I'll take it over and see if I can get a nut to go onto it. And I'll see if I can get a wing nut over that. And I can, no problem at all. So I'll put a washer on there. So that's on there pretty good. I've got a little sawdust in the slot. So let's get that out of there. So there we go. That's just what we want to get these two sides clamped down and put together really nicely. So I've got to go do that one more time, and I will be back in just a few minutes when that's done.